That looks clean.
That one, he driving this one,
right?
But you know they don't fit my grandkids.
Oh yeah, you want to save, yeah.
I say, hey, this car is not anymore for you because.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, this is for somebody single.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah,
Single.
single. You know, they don't need it.
And I want to pump that for the engine again.
Check it out, no leaks.
I like the way.
You know, my neighbor, he likes it, but I mean, he wanna sell his truck. He said, let me sell him my truck first, and I said, okay. Yeah, because he needs something cheap and gas.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, but I say, if you don't sell it, I can't. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. Hey, 300, take it.
Wow.
Because this is big.
And this is a stick.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. No.
That's nice.
Yeah, I drive a stick.
Alright, you guys, so we did it. Just got the registration paid, updated. Gotta head home now. Oh, so juice. I decided to wet sand these with some 1500 grit. They weren't too bad already. You can see they're like pretty smooth. I just rinsed them off with some soap and water. I'm gonna clean it with some rubbing alcohol and then do the other side. And I think I'm going to wet sand this front part because it's really bothering me. There's still bugs all in here too. Look at that, it's nasty. Overall, so far, what I've done, this one still has polish on it. Got that back trim. So far, I've wiped all this down, all the black areas with the Armor All protectant stuff, and then I added this Broadway mirror attached because the other one was really bad. Like, I couldn't really, it was just blue. It had like a weird blue tint. This one's way wider. I look a mess right now. I don't care. But yeah, I still haven't really fully detailed the car. I'm going to save that for when it's sunny outside and later. Right now, I just want to get the outside wet sanded on the spots that are bothering me since it's supposed to rain the rest of the week. I figure it's a good time to clear it off. Oh man, I just seen that. Trying to get some water on here. License plate, this little tiny tool. Started to wet sand some of this area. Side mirrors are done. Wheels are polished. I got these sanded so far. They're air drying. I gotta wipe them down with rubbing alcohol. Prep it. Alcohol here. Alright, I just got this grill painted, just a light coat. This is just a temporary paint job. I'm gonna do this again later on, but this is just to kind of make the car look more fresh. You can see the difference from here to here, and this is only like maybe 2 coats, light coats. So I'm gonna do the same for these, clean them off with rubbing alcohol, tack cloth. Yep, I'm gonna try to finish it before it gets dark. Sunset over there. You can see how it came out on the front bumper, which looks pretty damn good. I mean, there's still a few spots, but it looks a lot better than before. Like I said, this is just temporary, so it doesn't look so ashy. You can tell the difference from here. This is what it looked like before, so a lot better. I'm trying to hurry up too because it's getting dark and it's supposed to rain all week. And I gotta put all this stuff back together so I can move the car. Excuse the garage, it's nasty. Let me get this done. I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright, that's what this is looking like so far. Look at this, nice. Drying still right there. I gotta do the back for the license plate. Don't care about this part. Look at that. Almost done. Going down. I think this is dry now. I gotta take this off so I can park it in there and put the grills back on. This looks nice, man. The HID's on. That looks clean. I want to change those to white. I don't like that yellow. But whatever. These two, I don't really like the yellow too much. Dry. About to put these back on now.